Hi. Today, we will learn about the latest update in the Pine script programming language of the TradingView platform. The update is regarding line wrapping. Let's see what it is via an indicator example. Here, we have an indicator function with the name line wrapping. First, we are using a plot function to plot the close value of a candle on the chart. We use various attributes of the plot function: style, color, and line width. If I add this indicator to the chart, we can see a green-colored close line. OK. Now, imagine if we use 10 more such attributes of this function. The code will be so long that it may go beyond the screen. That would not be very convenient. So the better way of writing this code would be like this. See, I have written each attribute on a new line. So it becomes much easier to read and maintain. This process of breaking a single line of code into multiple lines is called line wrapping. This style of writing code was not possible earlier. This update came in December 2025. Before that, if we had written the code like this, then, we would have encountered an error. I will give a demo. See, I will change the version number from 6 to 5. See, we get an error. It says, end of line without line continuation. It is a very common and very stupid error in the Pine script. But no such error when we use version 6. OK. Here's another example. Here we have a mathematical expression. We have used the math.max function in it, which has several inputs in it. I can write those inputs in separate lines. Like this. Now it is much more readable. This is possible because of the line wrapping functionality. Now, an important part. This line wrapping thing does not work with if-else blocks or with a user-defined function. See here. We have written an if-else condition. If the candle close is greater than the candle open, then we will use green color. Otherwise, we will use red color. But see where I have to write the color.green and color.red values. Could I not write those words at the very left edge of that line? The answer is no. Because, as said earlier, the line wrapping does not work with the if-else block. So you have to write the values at a tab width from the left edge of the editor. Otherwise, it will again throw that stupid error in our face. Similarly, if you create a user-defined function like this, the content of the function has to be written at a tab width from the left edge of the editor. You cannot start writing the function content from the very left side. So that's it. That's how you can use the latest line wrapping update in the TradingView Pine script. Thanks for watching.